Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Some of the smartest people end up doing nothing with their lives. Not because they're dumb, not because they lack talent, but because they fail in a very specific way. And if you're watching this, there's a chance you're already doing it. In this video, you'll understand why being smart can actually work against you, the hidden habit that quietly ruins intelligent students, and how to break this pattern without becoming extreme or robotic. By the end, you'll know exactly what to fix. Picture this. It's evening. You sit at your desk, books open, laptop on. You tell yourself, I know this stuff. So you relax, you scroll a little, you delay a little, and somehow the day ends. At night, you feel guilty. You know you can do better, but tomorrow, the same thing happens again. This is how smart people fail. Here's the problem. When you're smart, things come easy at first. You understand concepts quickly. You score okay without much effort. So your brain learns something dangerous. I don't need to try hard. Psychology calls this effort avoidance. Your brain always chooses easy understanding over consistent effort, and slowly effort feels unnecessary. Until one day, life stops being easy. Most people think procrastination is laziness. It's not. For smart people, procrastination comes from overthinking. You think, what's the best way to do this? What if I do it wrong? I'll start when I'm fully ready. So instead of starting badly, you don't start at all. Your intelligence keeps you stuck in your head, and nothing kills progress faster than that. Here's another trap. Smart people trust their future selves too much. You tell yourself, I'll do it later, I can manage. But later never comes, because discipline isn't about intelligence, it's about systems. Your brain doesn't run on logic, it runs on habits, and habits don't care how smart you are. Let's be honest, hard work feels boring, especially if you're smart. Your brain loves new ideas, big plans, quick understanding, but real progress comes from repetition, boring practice, showing up daily. That's why smart people love planning, but hate execution. Planning feels smart, execution feels uncomfortable. Quick science. Your brain rewards novelty, new things, comfort, easy things. Discipline rewards come later. So unless you train your brain to accept boredom, it will always run back to comfort. This has nothing to do with willpower, it's training. Here's what actually works. Step 1. Stop trusting motivation. Motivation lies, systems don't. Step 2. Make tasks stupidly small. Not study 3 hours, just open book and read 2 pages. Smart people fail because they start too big. Step 3. Win the first 5 minutes. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Once you start, your brain follows. Stop saying, I'm smart. Start saying, I'm consistent. Smartness doesn't build futures, consistency does. Your future won't ask how intelligent you were, it will ask what you did daily. If you feel like you're capable of more, you understand things but don't act, you're disappointed in yourself quietly, listen to me, you're not broken, you're just untrained, and training can start today.